Hi guys, it's Dan and Livy, and today we're going to be going to the Harbes Family Farm. Why is it making that noise?
What do you guys have here? Look at that one.
I think I accidentally touched its nose.
Its nose.
Wait, look, there's a bridge for them.
Ooh. I wonder if they can go up there. Pregnant ones. Look at this little baby. Snack time. Bunnyville, Bunny's church.
Wait, mommy, guys.
What's going on here, Danny? You working the tractor? You can't do it. Oh. Okay. What are we going to be watching now?
The pig race.
The pig race. Danny.
Let's go 1, 2, 1.
There they go. Oh my God, this is fast.
farm, he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a bunch of horse. I've been in the valley, you ain't been aboard that horse. Now, can nobody tell me nothing?
Oh, Danny scored one. Yeah.
How do you make goalie to try to kick it back?
Danny. Come on, Daniel. Oh. Where are we going?
The main.
We're going in the maze. Let's go, Danny. Dead end? Oh, wah, wah, wah. No splitting up. I don't know. I think we found the exit. We made it.
Secret.
And we're out. Congratulations.
I conquered the note maze.
Yeah.
We made it! Whoa.
So what did you guys think of Harbes Family Farm?
I think it was perfect, and I don't think there was anything wrong with it.
Okay, what about you?
Yeah, me too, same.
Okay, Danny, what was your favorite part? The jumping thing? What about you, Livy?
Mine is the same because you could jump so high.
Yeah, okay. So what do you think for the people that want to come here? How long do you think they would spend here? Maybe like 2-3 hours, something like that?
Maybe
Yeah,
like 5 or 4 hours.
maybe even 5 or 4. I think maybe like 2-3 hours is good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You think you would want to come back here again?
Yes, I would love. I love this place.
I want to come here more than Marine Park, actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Awesome. All right.
Bye, guys. Make sure
guys,
to
make
like
sure-
and subscribe to our channel.
We love you all. Thanks for joining us. Bye.